Hello, today I'm going to show you how we can run any Java application with Basic JRE. So let's imagine that you don't have a latest version of JDK installed on your device. So you are running your Java applications with Oracle Java, and this means basically that sometimes you manage to run your Java programs, but sometimes you don't. So to understand all of this, what I mean, let's try to run one of those Java applications. So I'm in the command prompt and let's type java JRE and wordlet.jar. Alright, so as you can see, it was possible to run this Java application, but now let's try to run audio player LM this time. And you can see the total explosion here. So basically what happened, so I believe you have encountered this unsupported class version error many times, and maybe you have wondered, like, what is the mystery here, like why does this happen. So let's understand this. So if you go ahead and search here, up to what JRE compliance level does Basic JRE support runtime, you can see that it supports from Java 1.0 up to Java 8. So it supports from JRE 45.0 and up to JRE 52.0. So what do we do here? Like basically what do we do if we are unable to run Java applications like this, and maybe you want to run it anyway? And basically the thing is that during the Java applet era, basically whenever running Java applets was popular, people had to install JRE like without needing to have a JDK, and because of this, like, they gave at least Java 8, which was stable to run Java applications. So but today it is not maintained anymore, so it's Basic JRE, not something latest. So running Java applications, if they are latest, is kind of impossible, but there is one thing that we can do. So let's understand this. So we are able to run the Java application, but this will happen only if we do like this. So if you have access to the project structure in your ID, so this is audio player LM, I do have a source code and the project structure, and basically if I have all of this, we can go here, click on properties, Java compiler, and very important part is compiler compliance level, and we should set this to basically JRE 1.8, so it's Java 8. Apply and close. So basically right now compiler recognizes this Java project as for Java 8, but only one catch is that right now our project cannot detect the latest Java features. So either you are going to run your Java application with Basic JRE, or otherwise you cannot use latest Java features in this project. So we have this kind of limitation, but for now let's do this test. So it's really up to you. Click on export runnable jar file. Okay, let's remove this. Good. Now let me export this jar file. Alright, and don't forget package required libraries into generated JR, so it will be the Uber jar. Everything is ready now, and now if we go ahead and this time try to run this audio player LM, okay, Java JR and audio player LM.jr. Okay, let's run this. And you can see that now it is working. I think it's really great. Think like great method to execute Java applications like this. But just make sure that whenever you have to do this, you also understand that you won't be able to use the latest Java features in your Java project, because compiler basically won't detect it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and have a great time.